Welcome back to From My Tiny Kitchen. Watch this step-by-step video and learn how to make fluffy buttercream frosting. This can be used for a variety of applications including elaborate piping, covering cakes, and piping on cupcakes. These are the ingredients you would need. Remember, the recipe is in the description. Add the soft but not melted butter into a large mixing bowl and mix until light and fluffy. Gradually add in the sifted icing sugar, mixing well with each addition. During the icing sugar addition, add in the vanilla extract or your preferred flavoring. When the buttercream mixture starts to thicken, alternate between the milk and icing sugar until you have the desired light and fluffy buttercream frosting. When the buttercream is ready, don't forget one final scrape down of the bowl before one last mix. And there you have it, light and fluffy buttercream frosting that's ready to be colored and used on cakes or cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to make buttercream frosting. Don't forget to check out some of these other videos. See you next time.